Hey guys, what's going on? Mr. Kelly in my new office. I'm just enjoying this twirly chair. I hope that didn't make you dizzy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's less than a week away till I'll be back in the classroom joining you. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm going to celebrate. We're going to celebrate with some donut holes on that day. And I'm going to eat all of them. No, all of them. No, I won't eat all of them. I'll share with you guys. But anyway, I'm excited to be back with you guys soon. Make sure you have this Railroad Unites America complete. I enjoyed making that. I enjoyed watching that America, the Story of Us. And please make sure you complete that paragraph essay on why the settling of the American West was both a triumph and a tragedy. I know you can do it. On to the order of operations for today, February 23rd. You're going to start off with a Spanish-American War Ed puzzle. This Ed puzzle is more than just about the war. If you look at it, it's on the title slide it says Imperialism, because what you're going to cover in today's class and possibly on Friday is American imperialism. And we learn about imperialism in World History 2. We learn about the empires of Britain, France, Spain, and Portugal, and how they settled in South America, Central America, Africa. Sometimes we don't realize that the country of America, the United States, has had its imperialist past. And so we're going to look at this in this lesson and use the Spanish-American War as a springboard to look at the bigger picture of imperialism. How did that impact the United States? All right, so you guys are going to complete this Ed puzzle. You just go to edpuzzle.com and it's already been assigned to you. Yes, it has. Next, I will post this assignment. It's called American Imperialism and Political Cartoons. So rather than do a reading on imperialism, which may be coming on Friday, I want you to look at the slides, which are hyperlinked right here. And there are 5 cartoons. I want you to do some analysis. I want you guys to do some thinking, is what I want you to do. All right, there really are no wrong answers, but I want you to take a careful look at each of these pictures, inspect them, blow them up if you need to, zoom in, pay attention to the symbols. You look at this first cartoon and there's some things clearly written. There's some other things in the back here that are not quite as obvious. Take your time and analyze these. Then put your answers carefully and thoughtfully right there. All right. At the end, we're kind of going to, at the end of this, when it's all said and done, I want you guys to be able to decide, what about imperialism? Positive, negative? Is it maybe more neutral? Okay, the Ed puzzle, I want you guys to do it by yourself. I'm not assigning it live, so you're not going to do it all together. There's 7 or 8 questions. There's the bell. All right, take your time. Make sure you get them all complete. That's all for Wednesday. Part of the reason I assigned this is because when I looked at the Railroad Unites America, I noticed most people do not have that final paragraph written on the very last page. That's like the reflection. So you need to. Just like the railroad, that train is not stopping. The train of U.S. Virginia history is not stopping. It's moving ahead. All right, guys, that is all for now. See you in the hall. Say hello.